Indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns. Pronom indéfini. All. All. Tout. Tout. Another. Another. Yon lot. Yon lot. Any. Any. N'importe. N'importe. Anybody. Anyone. Anybody. Anyone. N'importe moun. N'importe moun. Aucun moun. Moun. N'importe moun. Aucun moun. Moun. Anything. Anything. Rien. N'importe bagay. N'importe bagay. Anywhere. Anywhere. N'importe côté. Quelque côté. N'importe côté. Quelque côté. Bof. Bof. Today. Today. Each. Each. Chaque. Chaque. Chaque grain. Chaque grain. Either. Either. Quel que soit. Quel que soit. Enough. Enough. Assez. Assez. Every. Every. Chaque. Chaque. Tout. Tout. Everyone. Everyone. Everybody. Everybody. Tout moun. Tout moun. Everything. Everything. Tout bagay. Tout bagay. Everywhere. Everywhere. Tout côté. Tout côté. Few. Few. Quelques. Quelques. Fewer. Fewer. Moins. Moins. Less. Less. Moins. Moins. Little. Little. Tical. Tical. Many. Many. Un pile. Un pile. Much. Much. Un pile. Un pile. Most. Most. Majorité. Majorité. More. More. Please. Please. Neither. Aucun. Aucun. Neither. Nobody. No one. Aucun moun. Personne. Aucun moun. Personne. Nobody. No one. Known. Aucun moun. Personne moun. Personne moun. Aucun. Known. Known. Nothing. Nothing. Rien. Rien. Aucun bagay. Aucun bagay. Nowhere. Nowhere. Aucun côté. Aucun côté. One. One. Moon. Moon. Où. Où. Other. Other. Lot. 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 Other. Others. Others. Lot. 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 Others. Several. Several. Plusieurs. Plusieurs. Several. some, cake, some, somebody, someone, somebody, someone, your moon, something, yon bagay, somewhere, quelque côté, yon côté, day, yo, you, ou. Examples, you ate all the cookies. You ate all the cookies. Ou te mangé tout bonbon yo. Ou te mangé tout bonbon yo. Another glass of wine, please. Another glass of wine, please. Yon lot verre divin, s'il vous plaît. Yon lot verre divin, s'il vous plaît. Yon lot verre divin, s'il vous plaît. Another glass of wine, please. Is there any milk? Is there any milk? Genlet? Is there anyone home? Is there anyone home? Gen moun lakay la? Gen moun lakay la? It's so dark. I can't see anything. It's so dark. I can't see anything. Li telman fè noir, mwen pa ka wè anyen. Li telman fè noir, mwen pa ka wè anyen. We can go anywhere you want. We can go anywhere you want. Nou ka ale n'importe kote ou vle. Nou ka ale n'importe kote ou vle. Both of my children speak Creole. Both of my children speak Creole. Toude timoun mwen yo pale Creole. Toude timoun mwen yo pale Creole. Each of them is different. Each of them is different. Chaque grain nan yo différent. Chaque grain nan yo différent. Chaque grain nan yo différent. I am happy to watch either movie. I am happy to watch either movie. Map content gade quel que soit film lan. Map content gade quel que soit film lan. There is never enough time. There is never enough time. Pa jam gen ase tan. Pa jam gen ase tan. Every student failed the exam. Every student failed the exam. Chaque étudiant te échoué examen. Chaque étudiant te échoué examen. Is everybody here? Is everyone here? Is everybody here? Is everyone here? Est-ce que tout moun la? Est-ce que tout moun la? How's everything? How's everything? Ki jan tout bagay ye? Ki jan tout bagay ye? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Tout bagay bien. Tout bagay bien. The water spilled everywhere. The water spilled everywhere. L'eau a gaillé tout côté. L'eau a te gaillé tout côté. L'eau a te gaillé tout côté. He has few friends. He has few friends. Li gen quelques amis. Li gen quelques amis. There are fewer students this year. There are fewer students this year. Gen moins étudiants année ça. Gen moins étudiants année ça. There is less work this year. There is less work this year. Gen moins travail année ça. Gen moins travail année ça. There is little to do here. There is little to do here. Gen ti kal pou faire là. Gen ti kal pou faire là. She has many books to read. She has many books to read. Li genyen an pil liv pou li. Li genyen an pil liv pou li. There is more work this year. There is more work this year. Gen plis travail année ça. Gen plis travail année ça. It rains most of the time here. It rains most of the time here. Li fait la pluie majorité temps ici là. Li fait la pluie majorité temps ici là. We don't have much money. We don't have much money. Non pas gagner un pile l'argent. Non pas gagner un pile l'argent. Neither of us speaks Spanish. Neither of us speaks Spanish. Aucun nan nou parle espagnol. Aucun nan nou parle espagnol. Or aucun nan nou pa parle espagnol. Nobody or no one was in the class. Nobody was in the class. No one was in class today. Nobody or no one was in class today. Person moun te nan class la jodi ya. Person moun te nan class la jodi ya. Or person moun pa te nan class la jodi ya. None of the children wanted to answer the question. None of the children wanted to answer the question. Aucun nan ti moun yo te vle répondre question wan. Aucun nan ti moun yo te vle répondre question wan. There is nothing in the fridge. There is nothing in the fridge. Pa gen anyen nan frigidaire. Pa gen anyen nan frigidaire. He has nowhere to stay. He has nowhere to stay. Li pa gen aucun kote pou li rete. Li pa gen aucun kote pou li rete. One never knows what the future will bring. One never knows what the future will bring. Ou pa jam konen ki sa demain ap pote. Ou pa jam konen ki sa demain ap pote. The other class has more students. The other class has more students. L'autre classe la gen plus étudiants. L'autre classe la gen plus étudiants. The others are going to a concert tonight. The others are going to a concert tonight. Lot yo prale nan yon concert aswaya. Lot yo prale nan yon concert aswaya. There are several movies playing. There are several movies playing. Gen plusieurs films qui ap joué. Gen plusieurs films qui ap joué. There are some dogs in the park. There are some dogs in the park. Gen kek chien nan park la. Gen kek chien nan park la. Someone is in the bathroom. Somebody or someone is in the bathroom. Yon moun nan douche la. Yon moun nan douche la. I have something in my eyes. I have something in my eyes. Mwen genyen yon bagay nan je mwen. Mwen genyen yon bagay nan je mwen. Right now, it is raining somewhere. Right now, it is raining somewhere. Ouè kote ma pale ave o la pli ap tombe kek kote. Ouè kote ma pale ave o la pli ap tombe kek kote. They say this is the best restaurant in town. They say this is the best restaurant in town. Yo di sa se pi bon restaurant ki gen nan villa. Yo di sa se pi bon restaurant ki gen nan villa. You never know. You never know. Ou pa jam konen. Ou pa jam konen. Everyone is sleeping in my bed. Everyone is sleeping in my bed. Tout moun ap dormi nan kaban mwen. Tout moun ap dormi nan kaban mwen. Someone is sleeping in my bed. Someone is sleeping in my bed. Yon moun ap dormi nan kaban mwen. Yon moun ap dormi nan kaban mwen. No one is sleeping in my bed. No one is sleeping in my bed. Aucun moun ap dormi nan kaban mwen. Aucun moun ap dormi nan kaban mwen. I gave everything to Sally. I gave everything to Sally. Mwen te bay Sally tout bagay. Mwen te bay Sally tout bagay. He saw something in the garden. He saw something in the garden. Li te we yon bagay nan jardin. Li te we yon bagay nan jardin. There is nothing to eat. There is nothing to eat. Pa gen anyen pou manje. Pa gen anyen pou manje. I looked everywhere for my keys. I looked everywhere for my keys. Mwen te gade tout kote pou kle mwen yo. Mwen te gade tout kote pou kle mwen yo. Kate is looking for somewhere to live. Kate is looking for somewhere to live. Kate ap chèche yon kote pou li viv. Kate ap chèche yon kote pou li viv. There is nowhere as beautiful as Labadie. There is nowhere as beautiful as Labadie. Pa gen oken kote ki bel tankou Labadie. Pa gen aucun côté qui bel tankou la badi. They can choose anything from the menu. They can choose anything from the menu. Yo ka chwazi n'importe bagay nan menu an. Yo ka chwazi n'importe bagay nan menu an. You may invite anybody you want. You may invite anybody you want. Ou ka invite n'importe moun ou vle. Ou ka invite n'importe moun ou vle. We can go anywhere you'd like this summer. We can go anywhere you'd like this summer. Nou ka ale n'importe kote ou ta vle ete sa. Nou ka ale n'importe kote ou ta vle ale ete sa. He would give anything. He would give anything. Li tap bay n'importe bagay. Li tap bay n'importe bagay. Li tap bay n'importe bagay. Fido would follow you anywhere. Fido would follow you anywhere. Fido tap suiv ou n'importe kote. Fido tap suiv ou n'importe kote. I don't have anything to eat. I don't have anything to eat. Mwen pa gen anyen pou manje. Mwen pa gen anyen pou manje. She didn't go anywhere last week. She didn't go anywhere last week. Li pa te ale aucun kote semaine passée ya. Li pa te ale aucun kote semaine passée ya. I can't find anyone to come with me. I can't find anyone to come with me. M'pa ka jwen aucun moun pou ale avec moi. M'pa ka jwen aucun moun pou vini avec moi. M'pa ka jwen aucun moun pou vini avec moi. I don't know anything about it. I don't know anything about it. Mwen pa konen anyen de li. Mwen pa konen anyen de li. I know nothing about it. I know nothing about it. Anyen mwen pa kon de li. Anyen mwen pa kon de li. I don't have anybody to talk to. I don't have anybody to talk to. Mwen pa gen aucun moun pou mwen pale. Mwen pa gen aucun moun pou mwen pale. I have nobody to talk to. I have nobody to talk to. Mwen pa gen person pou m'pale. Mwen pa gen person pou m'pale. There wasn't anything we could do. There wasn't anything we could do. Pa te gen anyen nou te ka fe. Pa te gen anyen nou te ka fe. There was nothing we could do. There was nothing we could do. Anyen nou pa te ka fe. Anyen nou pa te ka fe. Is there anything to eat? Is there anything to eat? Pa gen anyen pou manje la? Pa gen anyen pou manje la? Did you go anywhere last night? Did you go anywhere last night? Ou te ale kek kote yeswa? ou te allé quelque côté hier soir? Is everyone here? Is everyone here? Tout moun là? Tout moun là? Have you looked everywhere? Have you looked everywhere? Ou gade tout côté? Ou gade tout côté? Isn't there anything to eat? Isn't there anything to eat? Pa gen anyen pou manger là? Pa gen anyen pou manger là? Didn't you go anywhere last night? Didn't you go anywhere last night? Ou pa te ale aucun côté hier soir? Ou pa te ale aucun côté hier soir? Isn't everyone here? Isn't everyone here? Est-ce que tout le monde pas là? Est-ce que tout le monde pas là? Haven't you looked everywhere? Haven't you looked everywhere? Ou pas gardé tout côté? Ou pas gardé tout côté? Are you looking for someone? Are you looking for someone? Wap cherche yon moun? Wap cherche yon moun? Have you lost something? Have you lost something? Ou perdi yon bagay? Ou perdi yon bagay? Are you going somewhere? Are you going somewhere? Ou pral kek kote? Ou pral kek kote? Could somebody help me please? Could somebody help me please? Yon moun ka edem s'il vous plaît? Yon moun ka edem s'il vous plaît? Would you like to go somewhere this weekend? Would you like to go somewhere this weekend? Ou ta reme ale kek kote weekend sa? Ou ta reme ale kek kote weekend sa? Aren't you looking for someone? Aren't you looking for someone? Est-ce que ou pap cherche yon moun? Est-ce que ou pap cherche yon moun? Haven't you lost something? Haven't you lost something? Ou pa perdi yon bagay? Ou pa perdi yon bagay? Aren't you going somewhere? Aren't you going somewhere? Ou pa pral kek kote? Ou pa pral kek kote? Couldn't somebody help me please? Couldn't somebody help me please? Yon moun pa ka edem s'il vous plaît? Yon moun pa ka edem s'il vous plaît? Wouldn't you like to go somewhere this weekend? Wouldn't you like to go somewhere this weekend? Ou pa ta reme ale kek kote weekend sa? Ou pa ta reme ale kek kote weekend sa?